Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off message requests in Messenger, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in the main page of Messenger, or rather on the chats window, and from here, you'll need to access your settings to change your message requests. To do so, you click on the hamburger menu in the top left, click on the gear icon next to your name, and from here, you're in your settings menu. From here, you want to go into privacy and safety under preferences, and here you'll see this message delivery sort of option under who can reach you. You just want to tap on that, and here you'll see two options: friends of friends or others on Messenger. This denotes the type of people that can send you requests. Of course, it's friends of friends, so if somebody you're friends with has a friend and they want to message you, they can send you a request if you have it on, or anybody else is in others who you're absolutely not connected or friends with at all, and you can disable requests from them, and you do so by just tapping on whatever you want. Let's say on others, click don't receive requests, and that should be it. I'll turn it back on since I don't want to disable it, but for friends of friends, you just click on that. You can select whether you want to deliver requests to message requests or to chats, or to simply not receive any requests, and this update will affect every other message delivery setting, as you can see. So you can either update the settings or not. I'll just choose not, and it reverted back. But if you wanted to, you could revert or change all the settings, and then people will be blocked and you won't be receiving any other message requests after that. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.